Good morning, Spartans! We are so glad to be back. And yes, it's the one, it's the only, you guys too. So for that reason, I'm Brian Moreno.
And I'm Alexander Zavala. I feel like we're forgetting someone though.
Who?
Me. Move over, boys. I'll be joining you guys on this special episode of
Spartan TV.
And make sure to keep a lookout for our boys practicing the Spartan Matrix throughout the show. For those of you just joining the Spartan family, these are the set of responsibilities and expectations we Spartans aim to exceed each day. It's our code of conduct, like being a successful team player, for example.
Or having personal responsibility, which leads us to become an academic achiever.
Yeah, and we can't forget to be respectful, trustworthy, always.
Now that you're more familiar with the Spartan Matrix, keep your eyes peeled for the mentions throughout the show.
Whew, que huele como pescado. What smells fishy?
I promise it's not me this time.
Well, at one point it was. Let's check out how Alex got his stench under control.
You're going to the gulag! Alright, boys, I'll be right back. I need to go to the restroom.
Ugh, you smell gross.
Just because we're on quarantine doesn't mean we have to slack on our personal hygiene. Don't be like me and be smelly.
Smell it. That smell. The kind of smelly smell.
You guys can't tell me anything. I don't smell anymore.
Wow, Alex, thank God. I couldn't stand sitting right next to you before, but let's be honest, that's get hit home for a lot of our students.
Well, talking about our students, some have had some trouble adjusting to distant learning.
If you adjusted to it, here's some of the struggles students still face while doing online school.
Going to school.
Hopefully from this whole pandemic you can focus regardless from all the distractions around you.
Just like our Spartan Matrix, there are expectations to be followed during online school.
However, not all of us meet the expectations, and the reality of it, it's disappointing. Check out this skit that resembles the expectations of online school versus the reality of it.
it's Jasmine here, and I just want to remind you guys, just because school is from home now, doesn't mean we shouldn't take it as seriously. This information that we showed you, you shouldn't be taking it as a grain of salt, because we are all expected to be respectful and responsible.
We hope you Spartans are meeting the expectations and are getting ready for the finals on the 23rd.
But let's be honest, the majority of us don't even meet some of them.
Yeesh, you did not need to call me out like that.
Oh boy, I know it's hard to be adjusting to that schedule, just like it's hard adjusting to wearing a mask 24/7 when in a public area.
You got that right. And what else should our Spartans be doing, Brian? Let them know.
Hey guys, today I'm here to show you 4 corona-catching clowns who are misusing their mask while they're out and about. Clown number 1. See what he does with it while he's outside. Oh, he's not even wearing it. What a COVID-catching clown. Clown number 2. He appears to be wearing his mask correctly.
And he seems to be throwing it away. Good job.
Clown number 3, we have an infamous snacker. Oh, and he's putting it in his mask? He just got the cooties. Okay, clown number 4. Alright, he's getting out of his car and... oh, his nose is already exposed. That's a big no-no. Why? Oh, and he pulls it down his face. No! Do not be like this maniac. Stay safe, kids.
Remember, Spartans, stay 6 feet apart and don't be a bozo and not wear your mask.
I always wear my... Hold on, let me fix my side of the camera.
Wow, that's very responsible of you. Just like the P in their Spartan Matrix for personal responsibility.
With COVID being the top issue around the world, there is another run right behind it, and that's inequality.
Right, Vanessa, and some stories are very real, like the one you're about to see right now.
My brother and I were walking home from work. We arrived home. Hours later, we heard a very loud knock at our door. My mother rushed to open the door, and ICE agents began to question her about me and my brother Jose. We overheard that we both had a warrant for arrest. At that point, my brother and I walked towards them, knowing that there was nothing we can do. As they handcuffed me, I felt that everything began to fall apart, and there was nothing that I could have been done. During my court hearing, the judge had said that I would be serving community service for a crime that I had never did.
The reality of some people is very heartbreaking. I'm so glad we got to become educated by that video.
Correct. EDUCATED, educated.
Oh wow, look at someone being an academic achiever, which is the first A in our Spartan Matrix.
But in all seriousness, we need to learn more about how some people are viewed in today's society.
With the next PSA, we're bringing a perspective of an individual who shares his personal experience with racial discrimination.
Being black in America is a challenge. When I first moved to Fontana, I experienced racism. It was only me and like a handful of other black people. And the kids would always like say racial slurs about me and treat me as if I don't belong and treat me as if I wasn't a human. And that has an impact. When me and my brother were going to school, it was hard not to feel out of place at a school that didn't have a strong black demographic. Even in history class, Black history, they would always show the struggles we had and all the bad things we went through as black people. They'll never show the things that we did for this country and to help build it. Like when we developed the light bulb, when we developed hair care products. No one knows how it feels to walk into my shoes or to deal with the stuff I deal with on a day-to-day basis. I've had to struggle and fight, but that's what makes me stronger.
No one should ever feel this way. Think twice before you say something to anyone. Words said to someone can stick with them for a lifetime.
I mean, we should all be treated equally. It's part of respect.
Which also happens to be the R in our Spartan Code of Conduct. I agree with you guys 100%.
Always. As for this lesson in our Spartan Matrix, always do good, and you can expect good to come from it.
This year is one of the most crucial times to vote. Our own anchors, Alex and Brian, have produced a video on how important voting is.
I do it for you.
2012, former President Barack Obama announced the creation of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, which...
Hey Alex, I hope you're doing great. But I'm watching the news right now on DACA getting revoked. Yeah, it's crazy right now. Did you know that 25% of the Hispanic community voted this year? That means 75% people did not vote and 15% are young people.
This election is crucial. Be sure to get informed on the candidates and what they represent. Make sure you vote not only for your family, but for your community. This election, many people need to vote. Our lives depend on it.
Due to COVID-19, I can't really leave my house so much. Can I still vote?
You can vote by mail this time. Be sure to request a ballot by October. And if you want to vote in person, you can October 5th.
Thanks, Alex. I'm gonna go tell my friends and my family members. I hope our video inspires you and encourages others from the age of 18 and up to go vote this year in this upcoming election.
Yup, but first comes Halloween, and nothing can ruin our Halloween spirit. So, we want to see what you guys are doing this year for spooky season. Be sure to send us pictures of you in your costumes, or even your decorations, to be featured on the next episode of Spartan TV.
Send them by October 23rd through our Instagram or email Ms. Jo. Her email will be listed down below.
Well, boys, it's been fun. I think it's time to say goodbye to our Spartans. What do you think, Brian?
Yeah, it's been fun with you guys and hope to guys see you soon in our next episode of Spartan TV.
Hope you enjoyed our show. We leave you now with our alma mater.
You freshmen better have learned it by the time you're seniors.
Till next time, have a great day, Spartans.
You deserve it.
You deserve it.
You deserve it.
Golden helmets crown our heads. No excuses, it's been said. Purple shields raise Spartan.